Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up Zoom meeting and invite participants. So actually that's so simple and so easy to be done. So first you need to go to your Zoom app that you can get from Microsoft Store or from zoom.us/download website. Let me show you the website. You can go into a new window on your browser and then go into zoom.us/download, and then once you're in you can just click on the download and you can choose the bytes that's your Windows system required. Also, once you get to the app, you need to create a new meeting, and then you will set up your microphone and the webcam just from here, and once you are finished you can go into the start the blue button. Right, once you are in, you can go into this option and then click on uh, invites or copy invite link. When you click on invite, you can invite people just from here, or the participants just from here. Alright, and you can also go through the email and send them the invites via email from Gmail, Yahoo, or from another email. You can also copy the invite link and send the invite link to the attendees that you want them to be on your meeting, just by using the social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, or another apps. So guys, that's it. That's how to set up Zoom meeting and invite participants. Alright, there is another option that you can schedule a meeting just from here and fill all the blanks right here. You can also add the attendees and invitees just from here, and then you can click on save. Once you click on save, you will have the invite link, and also you can share the invite link to the participants or the ones that you want them to be on your meeting. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones and with your friends also. And see you next video. Thanks for watching.